Next, we move on to specification number 2, which asks us to state the word equation and the balanced chemical equation for aerobic respiration. Also, keep in mind that aerobic respiration occurs in the mitochondria of the cell. So, in words, aerobic respiration can be written as glucose plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide, water, and energy. And in its balanced chemical form, it is C6H12O6 reacts with 6 molecules of O2 to produce 6 molecules of CO2, 6 molecules of H2O, and energy in the form of ATP. So, this reaction is essentially the opposite of photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, carbon dioxide and water use energy to form glucose and oxygen. In aerobic respiration, it's the reverse, glucose and oxygen react to produce carbon dioxide, water, and energy. So, in exams, whenever you're asked for the word equation of aerobic respiration, you can say it like this: glucose plus oxygen produces carbon dioxide, water, and energy. And for the balanced chemical equation of aerobic respiration, you can say C6H12O6 reacts with O2 to produce CO2, H2O, and energy in the form of ATP. So that concludes Unit 10.2 on aerobic respiration from your syllabus. Just a quick reminder, the notes are available in the description as well as in the pinned comment, so be sure to check them out. I'll be back soon with the next unit. Stay tuned, and thank you for watching.